Good morning. Thanks for coming today. Please tell me about yourself.
Good morning, my name is Sharia Sumjit. I recently graduated from Rajamangala University Technology of Isan with degrees Bachelor of Arts. In my study, I had opportunity to gain experience through the job training at EC company, which is helped me to develop my skill in communication and teamwork. And I'm also confident in my ability to time management and adaptability. So, can you describe your previous job and the main responsibility you have?
I worked at my parents' company for 3 years from 2018 to 2021. What's your greatest strengths?
My greatest strengths are my attention to detail and my ability to communicate effectively with people at all levels. These skills help me ensure tasks are completed accurately and that teams are well coordinated. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself in a leadership role within the company. Having contributed significantly to its success, I hope to be managing a team and driving major projects forward. And why are you leaving your current job? I am seeking a more challenging position that aligns with my career goals. I have learned a lot in my current job, but I'm looking for an opportunity that allows me to take on more responsibility. What qualifications or skill make you a strong candidate for this position?
I believe my strong communication and project management skill make me a good fit for this role, and I also have experience working in similar position, which has honed my ability to work under pressure and meet deadlines. What was your title and role at your last job?
My title was Sales Associate. My role include managing customer account, preventing product recommendation, and achieving sales targets. How do you stay motivated and productive at work?
I stay motivated by setting clear, achievable goals and celebrating small wins along the way. I also enjoy challenges and thrive in fast-paced environments which help me stay productive. What are your career goals for the next few years?
My career goals include gaining more experience in project management and expanding my leadership skills. I hope to work on more strategic initiatives that can contribute to the company goal. Why do you want to change job? I am looking for a role where I can contribute my skill in a more impactful way and continue to grow professionally. The position you are offering seems like a great fit. Can you give example of projects where you used your skills?
One example is when I lead the marketing campaign that resulted in 20% increase in sales. I use my organizational and communication skill to coordinate with different teams and ensure the campaign are successful. How long did you work at your previous job?
I worked at my previous company for 3 years from 2018 to 2021. What is one skill or area you feel confident in that will help you succeed in this role?
I feel confident in my organizational skills. I am able to juggle multiple tasks simultaneously while ensuring each project is completed on time and to a high standard. Why do you want to work for this company specifically?
I admire your company commitment to innovation and employee development. I believe that this is the perfect environment to grow my skill and contribute to exciting projects. What is your motivation for seeking a new job?
My motivations is to find a positions where I can expand my skill sets, work on exciting projects, and be part of a team that shares my values. How do you handle tight deadlines or competing prioritize?
I would prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. When the deadlines are tight, I would stay focused and maintain the clear communication with my team to ensure everything will be complete on time. What did you enjoy most about your previous job?
I really enjoy working with a diverse team and collaborating on creative marketing strategy. What is one skill or what would your colleagues say are your strengths?
They would likely say that I am reliable, approachable, and always willing to lead a hand when needed. I believe my collaborative nature makes me a great team player. What are your long-term career ambitions?
My long-term ambition is to become a senior manager or director, overseeing a large team and making strategic decisions that help the company achieve its goal. What are you looking for in your next job?
I am looking for a role that offers new challenges and opportunities for professional development. I also want to be in an environment where I can contribute to the company's success and grow within the organization. What software or tools are you proficient in that will benefit this role?
I am proficient in tools such as Microsoft Excel, Adobe Creative Suite, and project management tools like Trello and Asana. I have used these tools to streamline workflows and manage my project effectively. What did you dislike about your previous job?
I dislike the lack of growth opportunity. After 3 years, I feel I have learned all could in that position and want to take on more responsibility. Can you give an example of how you apply your strength in a past job?
At my previous job, my strength organizational skill allowed me to manage multiple projects at once. For example, I coordination a large event while overseeing a launch of a new product, ensuring both projects were delivered successfully. How do you plan to achieve your career goals?
I plan to achieve my goals by continuous learning and seeking opportunity to take on more responsibility. I also plan to seek mentorship from experiences leaders within the company. How do you see your next role arranging with your career goals?
This role aligns perfectly with my goals. It will give me the opportunity to apply my leadership skill while allowing me to continue developing expertise in the marketing field. Can you explain a situation where you demonstrate leadership or intensive.
At my last job, I initiated a project to improve the reporting system, which helped the team save time, and I took the lead on this project, coordinated with other departments, and the result was more efficient reporting process. How did you contribute to the team or department in your previous position?
I help streamline our customer service process, improving our response time by 50%. I also introduced new marketing tool that increases engagement by 20%. What do you consider to be your biggest weakness?
I tend to be a perfectionist at times, which can lead me to spend more time on tasks than necessary. However, I have been working on balancing quality with efficiency by setting realistic time limits for myself. What do you think is the most important factor in achieving career success?
I believe that hard work, continuous learning, and adaptability are the key factors to success. It's important to stay current in your field and be open to new challenges. Why did you resign from your last position?
I resigned because I feel that the opportunities for growth in my last position were limited. I wanted to find a role that challenges me more and offers better prospects for advancement. How would you describe your communication skills?
I would describe my communication skill as strong. Um, I'm comfortable to communicating with people at all levels in organization, and I can tailor my message to different audience. Can you describe a difficult situation at work and how do you handle it?
There was a situation where our team had to complete a project in a very short time frame. I took the lead in organizing tasks, communicate regularly with team members, and we successfully met the deadline. What is a weakness that you are overcome?
I used to struggle with delegating tasks because I want everything to be perfect. Over time, I have learned to trust my colleagues and delegate more effectively, which has helped me manage workload more effectively. How do you handle challenges that may hinder your career process?
I handle challenges by focusing on finding solutions rather than dwelling on problems. I always look for ways to overcome obstacles, learn from them, and use that experience to move forward. How long have you been considering this change in career?
I have been considering a career change for about 6 months. I have done some research and believe that now is the right time for me to transition into a more strategic role. What skill have you developed that make you a better candidate for this position?
I have developed strong analytical skills and attention to detail, which are crucial for the responsibility outlined in the position. Additionally, my ability to work well in team and lead projects have been a key part for my success. What accomplishments or success are you most proud of in your previous job?
I'm most proud of leading a project that increases oral sales by 30% in 6 months, thanks, thanks to a target marketing campaign I helped design. What do you consider to be? How do you work on improving your weakness?
I actively seek feedback from colleagues and supervisors, and I focus on self-reflection. For example, to improve my time management, I have started using task management to prioritize and track my work. What motivates you to work hard and succeed?
I am motivated by the opportunity to grow, take on new challenges, and make a meaningful impact on the company's success. I also find motivation in seeing the results of my hard work. What made you choose our company over other potential employers?
I've always admired your company's value and work culture. Your commitment to innovations and professional development aligns with my own goals, which makes this role particularly attractive to me. What are your technical skills and how have you used them in the workplace?
I have technical skill in data analysis, speci- specifically using Excel to create reports and dashboards. I have used this skill to track my performance, metrics, and optimize marketing strategies. Why did you decide to leave your last position?
I felt that I had re- reached the limit of my role and was ready to take on more challenges. I'm seeking a position where I can grow and develop my skill further. How do you handle criticisms or feedback?
I see criticism as an opportunity for growth. I take feedback seriously, reflect it, reflect on it, and use it to improve my performance in future tasks. What are you looking for in a company's culture?
I'm looking for a company that values collaboration, encourage continuous learning, and foster an inclusive environment where employees can thrive and grow. Are you looking for a job with more responsibility or different work culture?
I'm looking for both. I want a position that offers more responsibility and an opportunity to develop leadership skills. I am also excited about the possibility of working in a company with a dynamic and collaborative culture. Do you have any certifications or training that are relevant to this role?
Yes, I have completed a certification in digital marketing from Google, which has helped me to understand the latest trend in the SEO and social media marketing. What was your relationship with your previous employer or boss?
I had a positive relationship with my boss. We are maintain open communication which make it easier to understand competition and work effic- efficient, efficiently toward company goal. Can you describe a time when your strengths help you solve a problem?
When a major project deadline was at least due to unexpected delays, my strong problem solving and organizational skills helped me reorganize the project timeline and manage resources more effectively, allowing us to deliver on time. What would make you leave a job or organization?
I will leave a job if I felt that my professional development has strengthened, or if there was a lack of alignment between my values and the company mission. However, I'm looking for a long-term opportunity and I'm committed to contributing to the success of an organization. Is there anything about your current job that you would want to keep in your new role?
I would like to keep the fast paced, team oriented environment. I enjoy collaborating with colleagues to solve problems and reach company goals. And I'd love to continue in that kind of setting. How do you keep your skill up to date in a fast changing industry?
I regularly attend webinars and conferences, read industry blogs, and take online courses to stay current with new technology and best practices.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.